Sparta is a network reconnaissance tool that helps penetration testers during the scanning and enumeration stage. Sparta can identify the live hosts in a network, find the services running on each host, and perform brute force attacks to find out default credentials for the common services. The tool also enumerates the device's services that use the same login credentials in the network. Hello everyone, come back again with a new video. Don't waste our time, let's start. Sparta is a GUI-based Python tool that integrates some popular tools in a single script, and some of them are in map, Hydra, Nikto, Cuttycat, Netcat, SNMP enum and SNMP check, etc. This tool comes pre-installed with the latest version of Kali Linux, and for other operating systems, it can be downloaded and configured according to OS requirements. If Sparta not yet installed on your Linux machine, then try these commands to install it on your machine. Using Sparta for reconnaissance. Boot Kali Linux and open terminal. To start Sparta, use the following command, Sparta. It will open Sparta GUI, and above output will be shown in the terminal as backend process. Sparta interface can be divided into three sections, namely top, middle, and bottom section. The top section shows two main functionalities that are scan and brute. The scan option allows scanning the network and adding hosts to the scanning process. The brute option is used to run the brute force attack on the selected hosts and services. The middle section shows the information gathered during the scanning process. This includes host information, network services, tools findings, and other useful information gathered by scanning the open ports and running services. The bottom section of the Sparta tool logs all the activities carried out during the scanning process. This section also allows the aborting of the scanning process. How Sparta works. My target is the Metasploitable server. Now boot Metasploitable server and check IP address using the following command, ifconfig. In order to find out live hosts in this range, add the IP addresses to Sparta scanning utility in the format. By clicking the Add to Scope option, it will prompt a window asking for IP address or range of IPs to scan, and you can also provide SIDR notation to scan the entire subnet of the provided range. After adding to the scope, Sparta will start scanning in various stages. To kill any process, right-click on the mouse and click on Kill. After finishing the process, it will show the various results as shown. To get more additional information, click on the Information tab. Also, you can check various port information under Nikto tab. Under the Services section, it will show the open ports in a proper way. Under the Tools section, there are various tools that can be used for the specified target. This tool also provides brute force capabilities using Hydra. For this you need to go under Brute Force tab and specify the port, IP and service to perform brute force. This tool makes the whole information gathering process easier and increases accessibility and saves time by integrating almost every useful tool under a single entity.